Yeah. That's what he done. He crossed that water. They ought to get him up there at that corner. Yeah. They a long way ahead of them dogs. See, Corey said he got him this time. Corey was in the branch, wasn't he? Let's see what Corey got. Yep, Corey got him.
Yeah, I seen him cross the water and figured I'd shoot him. Let him find him now. Yeah.
About the same spot you missed him the other day, ain't it?
Yeah. Let that puppy find him, that'll do some good. Come right here, I think he went right here and he look at it.
There he is.
Boy, that's shooting. There's
another rabbit.
There he is. There he is. There he is. There he is. Good job. Good job, guys. Good job there. Good
job. We'll get him walking back in there. Still find another one. Here, hold this in for a second.
There he is. Good job, guys. Good job, baby. Good job. Good job, baby. Good job, baby. Good job, baby.
I had to work for him.
Good job, baby. Look at here. Look at here. Look at here. Look at here. Come on here. Come on in. Good job, guys. Good job.
There it is. Look at that thing there.
Give me that thing there. Look at there. Look at David. Look at there, shoes. Look at there now. Look at here.
All right, now. I gotta have some meat. Look at old Red now.
He's on it, ain't he?
All right, now. It could get on those.
That's a shocker.
I didn't want him to get away.
Oh, Mickey.